Visit ticketcompare.com. Compare prices, buy tickets, get to the game. Ticketcompare.com. Buying tickets made simple.
So I didn't expect that for Liverpool side, for the people, but 1 year ago it happened something in Dortmund. So we come here to play football, to sports, and I don't understand this kind of situation. So, okay, nothing happened, the bus is destroyed, but I didn't expect from a club this prestigious like Liverpool do this kind of thing. So, of course, it's not Liverpool, it's the people, but it wasn't 1, ni 2, ni 3. But hopefully, don't happen again.